Good day, class. How are you doing? I hope you have been doing well. Kudos to those of you that have been submitting your task appropriately. Well done to you guys. Today, we will be looking at the topic, word processing packages. Of course, it's a revision lesson as well, as you know. Okay, what are the things we'll be looking at today? The definition of word processing and word processors, creating the Word document, and manipulating existing documents using various formatting tools. And we'll also be looking at setting a font style, that is the font type and the sizes. Okay, let's proceed with the lesson. What is word processing? What is word processing? Word processing will refer to every action involved in creating, editing, formatting, and producing a document in a hard copy, which makes it different from word processors. This will mean the application package involved or the software that you use to create documents or for word processing. That means you have to always involve the software whenever you are defining the word processor. It is very important. So if I go ahead and ask you what are the examples of software that you need to, example of word processor software, then you will tell me Microsoft Word, Corel Word, Kingsoft Pro, etc. Okay, move on to the next of the objective. How do you create a Word document? Now, you can create a Word document by either copying from an existing document, or you type yours. Those are the two ways. Either you copy from an existing document or you type your own document afresh. So in this lesson, you're actually going to type. I want to see your speed in typing. Okay? Now, how do you then manipulate, according to the third objective, how do I manipulate this document I have created or that you will be creating? There are various ways to do that. Formatting tools will be needed. And what are the examples of these formatting tools? You have the cuts. Of course, you know the shortcut for that. That is Ctrl-1. I can see somebody telling me that Ctrl-X. That's correct. Then that's copy. You can copy. You can bold a text. You can italize a text, etc. Of course, you can as well create columns on your document, which are the things I'm going to be testing you on in this particular lesson. You are going to create a document for me. You are going to manipulate this document according to the prescribed questions given to you, which will be in your Google class. So, the last one, set your font style. Now, font styles, there are several of them. I think last year, NECO asked this question to give 6 examples of various font types available in Microsoft Word. What are some of the examples? I know you know. So let's look at some of the examples of font type. Examples of font types. Okay, we'll look at calibri. There are several of them. Several. You have Times New Roman and the etc. I think they are in their hundreds. etc. So you make sure at least you know 6. You keep that one as an example for yourself. And lastly, having said that, what are the sizes of fonts? Starting from 8. But what if the question asks you, what is the standard font? The standard font, that will be 12. Then another question, what is the default font on Microsoft Word? That will be 11. Make sure you keep that. Those are objective questions. All right? Having said all that, further instructions will be given to you via the Google class. Make sure you read and pay attention to the instructions. Having said that, we'll see you next class. Make sure you keep safe. Attempt all your classes, tasks, and make sure you turn them in correctly. See you. Bye.